Okay, we have Mark and Renee Smith from Idaho, all the way from Idaho. And
Whipped cream, cut caramel for the very first time.
we're at the Headlands Coffee Shop in Fort Bragg, California, trying whipped cream, cut caramel. How's that dissolving for you?
Gone. Already dissolved.
Okay, Mark's putting his in. See what you think. How does it feel knowing you've got at least as much protein as an egg, vitamin D3, 11 essential amino acids? Does it taste healthy?
It tastes like that.
Mama, look at
Creamy.
What do you think, Mark?
Demolition.
Yeah, it's not too sweet. That's the best part of it. It doesn't taste chicken. It's just perfect.